Welcome, business leaders and entrepreneurs. Today, we're breaking down the 8 pillars of business exiting checklist. Whether you're scaling your business or preparing for an exit, these pillars are the foundation you need to thrive, grow, and make your business irresistible to investors or buyers. And if you're not looking to exit, you can still place yourself above the business with this checklist and enjoy life more. Let's start with financial fitness. This is your business's health check. Clean bookkeeping and accurate reporting are non-negotiables. Are your gross profit and net profit calculations correct? Do you understand your margins? These numbers are more than metrics. They're the heartbeat of your business. They show potential buyers or investors that your operations are transparent and profitable. Or if you're not looking to exit, they let you implement the profit-first model to finance your lifestyle. Remember, financial fitness isn't just about tracking revenue. It's about creating projections and understanding your internal rate of return. If you're not sure how to evaluate these, it's time to get expert advice. Revenue readiness is next. Here's a question. What percentage of your revenue is recurring? Predictable revenue streams, like subscriptions or long-term contracts, create stability. They also make your business far more appealing to investors. Whether it's software package services or multi-year agreements, aim for at least 40% recurring revenue. And don't forget, well-packaged offerings add value. Make it easy for customers to see the benefits of sticking with you. Moving on to management muscle. Can your business run without you? If not, this is a crucial area to focus on. Strong leadership, documented procedures, and cross-training your team are key. Buyers want to know that the business can thrive even if the founder steps away. Here's a tip. Create an organizational chart and document daily, weekly, and monthly processes. Bonus points if you align your entire team with a shared mission or North Star. It's a game changer for culture and performance. Pillar 4 is strong vertical presence. Are you the go-to expert in your niche? A clear value proposition and targeting specific customer avatars help you dominate your market. Your customers should know exactly why they should choose you over competitors. Think about this. What problem are you solving and why are you the best at it? Your brand story and messaging should make that crystal clear. Next, let's talk about customer satisfaction and retention. Positive reviews and loyal customers aren't just good for business, they're proof of your value. Use tools like Net Promoter Scores or customer satisfaction surveys to gauge feedback. Remember, a satisfied customer isn't just likely to return. They'll recommend your business to others, amplifying your growth potential. Sustainable success means being prepared for anything. Avoid over-reliance on a single customer, vendor, or piece of infrastructure. Redundancy is key. Whether it's your team, technology, or supply chain, everything should have a backup plan. If one system fails, can your business keep running? If the answer isn't yes, it's time to address those gaps. Let's talk sales and marketing. Do you have a documented growth engine? From lead generation to closing deals, your processes should be repeatable and measurable. Evaluate your team. Do you have the right mix of hunters and farmers? Are your digital marketing efforts driving quality leads? A strong sales engine is non-negotiable for scalable growth. And finally, intellectual property presence. Your trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets are more than just legal protections. They're assets that add significant value to your business. Make sure your IP is well documented, protected, and communicated to your team. It's a critical piece of what makes your business unique. These 8 pillars aren't just a checklist. They're your roadmap to a thriving business and a successful exit. Whether you're scaling, selling, or building a legacy, these pillars ensure your business is built to last. If you're ready to take the next step, download our full checklist or reach out for a consultation. Let's build something extraordinary together. Download the 8 Pillars checklist and contact us for a free consultation.